The Macintosh, Apple's near-mythological home computer, has gotten off to a rocky start in its battle with industry titan IBM.
With sales originally projected to be 1 million in the first quarter, Apple has sold only 35,000 of the user-friendly machines in the months.
The insistence by Steve Jobs that it have what's called end-to-end control, which is a way of saying that it's not compatible with most outside hardware or software, is the Shakespearean flaw in a machine that had potential.
Apple Computers closed 2 of its factories today in the wake of disappointing sales.
You know how many Macs were sold last month? 500.
In a move that surprised some, but not all on Wall Street, the board of directors of Apple Computers voted today to fire its co-founder, Steve Jobs.
Did he jump, or was he pushed? His ex-boss, Apple CEO John Sculley, refused to come.
However, in an exclusive interview, Steve Wozniak has slammed the integrity of his old friend, Steve Jobs. He calls Jobs an insulting and hurtful guy.
Jobs is hitting back with a new company and a new computer. Apple has a new competitor. Steve Jobs' Black Cube is aimed at the education market.
Few people have the ability to make the world wait, but that is just what Jobs is doing with his new company, Next.